So you want to win some free stuff, huh? Well, you came to the right place. Hey guys, Trebor7 here, and this is going to be a subscriber appreciation video. I'm going to give away some prizes. You know, I started this channel with one video back in October 25th of 2013, and now I have like 142 videos, 30,456 subscribers as of today, and quickly approaching 3.5 million channel views. And wow, what a ride it's been. And I have reason to believe, you know, last year, 2017, YouTube, they had the adpocalypse occurrence, you know, where a lot of monetized channels were slapped and demonetized. And now here in 2018, it seems if you have a channel that deviates from the mainstream narrative, your channel could just be abolished overnight. You know, no 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out, just poof, you're gone. So heaven forbid that ever happened to this channel. I wanted to have a chance to give back to the community. You know, there needs to be an ebb and flow of this. Of course, this is a non-monetized channel, so I don't make money off of your views, but it does provide a lot of traffic to my websites. And I want to just take this opportunity, if you're watching this, to tell you thank you. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for participating, thank you for visiting my websites, and thank you for watching. Alright, so here's how it's going to work. If you're watching this before midnight, that's Central Standard Time, March 19th, 2018, all you have to do is leave a comment below, and I will put your name in a pot, and we'll have a drawing on March 20th. And of course, if you win, I will give you an email address to which you will send me your full name and address, and $19.99 to cover the shipping and handling. And no, I'm just kidding about the $19.99. It'll be entirely free to you, but I will need a valid mailing address and your real name. And what am I giving away, you ask? Cool stuff, of course. I'm giving away some of these mini starter kits, side wheel starter kits, made by a friend of mine and T7 member, Ricky Cespedes, aka Mad Cat Sphere, here on YouTube. And it's really cool. Comes with 2 targets, a little side wheel, and a stand, and a toothpick to put in the stand, and a pamphlet with instructions and some photos and screen caps from YouTube videos and recommended links and whatnot. It's just the perfect little starter. So you can get one of these. I'm going to give away 7 of these, and then I'm going to give away some really cool t-shirts that are available on my Teespring store, Telekinesis Awareness Apparel. That's a mouthful. They're available for purchase, and you can find a link down there in the video description. Or if you're one of the lucky winners, you'll be winning one of these shirts. I don't know which one, perhaps one of the ones you're seeing right now, or whatever else I happen to have on hand. And then I will also be giving away a bottle of Ormus from sacredsupplements.com, the brand of your choice. That's 1 Logos, 1 Messiah, or 1 Magi. And last but not least, I will be giving away $20 USD or $40 BTC if you have a BTC address. All this will be taking place very soon, so don't delay. Now, you can leave a comment about anything you want, but I prefer the topic be this channel. Perhaps when or why you joined, what you've learned from my videos, your likes, your dislikes, your favorite Trebor quote, or perhaps you've learned something on this channel and you have a video demonstrating this skill. Leave a link. I'd love to see it, and I'm sure others would too. But anyway, basically, I just wanted to say thank you. You know, if they took this channel down tomorrow, I would have no regrets. But I hope this journey here on YouTube continues for many, many more years. And I really love, you know, I probably answered well over 1 million comments, and you know, a lot of them have really turned, you know, people that have turned from skeptics to practitioners. That's all the payment I'll ever need. You know, it's just been a joy sharing this journey as we're all awakening. You know, we're kind of in the infancy of our psychic ability awareness right now, but even the little stuff we can do now is cool, and it's fun learning together with you, and I appreciate you sharing all your time with me, and again, for subscribing to this channel and watching these videos. All right, leave a comment below, man, and I wish you all the best of luck. I'll see you on March 20th. Good day, God bless, and namaste.